Hi, I'm Eileen from MBA, and this is a quick tip and trick to cover GPAs in MBA Report Creator. How to correctly attach a GPA in an MBA report is pretty easy. You can put it in a table or a text element. Right now I have mine in a table, and what you'll go ahead and do is down here under School Grading Values, go ahead and click on that and then select GPA. From there, you'll see a little pop-up window here, and you have a couple options for GPA source. You see you can get class rank, calculate at runtime, and honor roll. If you click this little information icon, it will give you a nice description on each one of those. From there, you will select your calculation method. These are calculations that are already set up in your core PowerSchool. You will have had to set these up prior to putting them in your report. So as you can see, I've already added a weighted and a simple in my report here. And then next you would go ahead and insert that GPA. When we select Save and Preview, you can then see it calculates. Right here I have the weighted, and here I have the unweighted. If you were to go to this student's screen of their cumulative info screen, this is under academic records. You'll find cumulative info there. You can see here we have the weighted, and this is the simple, the unweighted GPA that we added to the report. A couple other places for you to check GPAs just to make sure that you are getting the right one that you want in your report would be to check here on this student's cumulative information screen. Other places you can check would be on the GPA info for student screens. You can find this under school management, academics, and then GPA info for student screens. This will show you each GPA calculation that you have, as well as the data that it is pulling. One more thing that you can check to make sure you have the right calculations would be under the district office. Here you'll go to district management, academics, and then here you will look at your GPA calculation methods. This will show you the formulas that you have within your calculation methods that ultimately get pulled into your report. That wraps up our quick tip and trick for GPAs in MBA's Report Creator.